Hi there, it's Miss Smith. I just wanted to give you a short little video about Google Meet. It is an app and it also is a website. You can even Google Meet. It's meet.google.com. And when you click on that, it takes you to the website. Now, most of your teachers will have a little link that you can click on, and it will take you right to your meeting, and you just have to click on join. Or if you have a code, you can click on join the code, and then you can get into Google Meet. So before you do Google Meet, or if you have been doing it, I would like to share with you two extensions that I think would be really good to have when you do Google Meet. So when I say extensions, it means these top little things up here. The first one that I want to talk to you about is Google Meet Grid View. Now, Google Meet Grid View, it looks like this, and on yours, it will say Add to Chrome. You click on Add to Chrome, and it should pop it up right up here. This makes it so that when you do your Google Meet, it puts everybody in one separate tile. If you don't do that, then it's only going to flash on the people that are talking. If you have about 4 people, you can see everybody, but once you get more than 5, then sometimes you just can't see them anymore because it's just showing you who's talking. So the grid view is a little bit nicer because then it puts everybody in the little tile. It's easy to see. The other extension is called Nod, like nodding your head. And it's right here. It's called Nod Reactions for Google Meet. And you can go to Add to Chrome, and it's going to put it up here for you. What this does is that you should be muted when you go into your Google Meets because it's mostly for the host, the person that's putting on the meeting to have the discussion and talking. So you're muted, they can't hear you, but if you have this nod reaction, you can raise your hand, you can have like clapping or smiling or like I don't really get that, which helps the teacher a lot. So I will go make a Google Meet real quick, show you what I'm talking about too. Okay, so when you click on that link or you put that code in, this is what it's going to look like. If your teacher's there, it's going to tell you need to click on join now. And when you join, then you are in the meeting with everybody else. So if you remember me telling you that there was 2 things to download, that little nod extension, the one with the thumbs up, is to my left. This is how you can say, I want a thumbs up, well done, wow, laugh out loud, or you can raise your hand. And that puts it on your little tile so the teachers can see it. And the other one is the Google Grid View is right here. So my grid view is off, but I can turn it on by clicking on it, and then it's going to add tiles of everybody. But of course, I am not with anybody in this meeting right now, but I could just say I want to highlight the speakers, meaning that the people that are making the big talk or the big meeting are highlighted. See how the blue came around me? And then you can say you want to include yourself or only participants with video, or just say by default, meaning every time that you come in, you want to make sure that you have it on. Now, the second button right here is just telling you how many people are in the meeting. And then this last one is the chat room. So the chat means that you can type in a question or a comment about what's going on. Be aware that the teachers are recording these videos. They're recording the videos, and when they record the videos, it puts the chat room on a Google Doc. So everything that you say is saved. So be careful what you write. I'm just telling you right now, make sure that you are only doing things that are school related in that chat room. Okay. On the bottom, you will see, let's see if I can get it up there for you. There we go. There's your microphone again. You can turn it off. There's your video. This is to leave the call. So when it's time to go and you say goodbye, you just click on this button. Captions means that everything that people say is going to be recorded on the bottom. See how my talking is in words now. That's called closed caption. All right, I'll turn those off. And then present now means that right now I have it on my webcam. If I present, then I'm presenting from my computer and I'm showing you something. So if I present my screen, it's going to look really crazy. Then everyone will see what's on my computer. So I'll see everybody that's in my meeting and then they'll see my presentation. If you're a kid, do not do this. Only unless if the teacher says that it's okay, you should not be sharing your screen at all. And then these little three dots right here are for your settings. So you can change the layout. Remember I said there's tile, there's a couple different other ones. I think the grid view is the best and easiest. You can make it full screen, just another turn on captions. If your microphone, the settings is just saying which microphone are you using and which webcam are you using. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure that usually when you go into meetings, you want to mute yourself before you go into the meeting because it's the speaker having the conversation. You can raise your hand, you can question in your chat room, and the teachers will talk to you about that. And if you have any other questions, just ask me. I hope that you guys have fun meeting each other virtually and that you learn things with your lessons.